Are you tired of guessing which gear your baby will outgrow in 6 months? Today, we are breaking down the best convertible car seats for newborns to toddlers so you can buy one seat that actually lasts for years. Choosing the right seat can feel completely overwhelming with all the options out there, but we've done the heavy lifting for you by testing the top-rated models for safety, ease of installation, and how well they actually fit a tiny newborn. Stick around to see which ones are truly worth your investment, and remember that all the product links are in the description below. First up on our list is the Graco EasyTurn 2-in-1 rotating convertible car seat in the Siren colorway. Now, despite what some retail listings might accidentally label it, let's clear up a common point of confusion right away. This is technically a convertible car seat rather than a traditional infant bucket seat. That means it is a permanent fixture in your vehicle and won't click into a stroller, but it completely makes up for that with some of the best longevity and convenience features on the market today. The undisputed headline feature here is the 360-degree rotation. With a single hand, you can smoothly spin the seat toward your car door, whether it's in rear-facing or forward-facing mode. This completely eliminates the awkward, back-straining angles parents usually deal with when buckling a squirming baby. You just rotate, buckle them in comfortably, and spin them back into place until you hear that reassuring, secure click. Built with premium polyester materials, the EasyTurn is designed as a space-saving powerhouse. Its slim footprint frees up valuable backseat room without sacrificing your child's comfort. Speaking of longevity, this seat effortlessly transitions through two major growth stages. It starts as a rear-facing harness for newborns and infants weighing 4 to 40 pounds, complete with plush infant inserts. As your child grows into a toddler, it flips to a forward-facing harness, accommodating kids from 26.5 all the way up to 65 pounds. Safety is incredibly robust here. It is Graco Protect Plus engineered, meaning it has passed rigorous crash tests for frontal, side, rear, and rollover impacts. Plus, the Snug Lock technology allows you to achieve a rock-solid installation using a vehicle seatbelt or the latch system in under 1 minute. Next up, we're diving into the incredibly popular Evenflo Revolve 360 convertible car seat, specifically styled in the sleek and modern Revere Gray colorway. This award-winning product is an absolute heavyweight in the rotating car seat market, offering a perfect blend of premium polyester durability, brilliant convenience, and elite long-term safety features. If your goal is to find a truly versatile seat that simplifies your daily routine from infancy all the way through the toddler years, this option deserves a very close look. The signature highlight of the Revolve 360 is its effortless, one-handed 360-degree rotation. Much like the previous seat we discussed, this feature means you can smoothly spin the seat to face your open car door. It fundamentally changes how you load and unload your child, turning what used to be a back-straining, awkward wrestling match into a total breeze. But where this seat truly pulls ahead of many competitors is its commitment to extended rear-facing safety. Child safety experts heavily emphasize keeping children rear-facing for as long as possible, and the Revolve 360 lets you do exactly that by accommodating kids in the rear-facing position all the way up to a massive 50 pounds. When it comes to the actual setup, the Sure 360 safety installation system completely redefines vehicle integration. Thanks to the lock-strong belt tensioning system and advanced Tether 360 technology, you only have to install the base one single time for both the rear-facing and forward-facing modes. This dramatically reduces the risk of incorrect installation when it's time to flip the seat forward. Moving right along, we have a true industry legend, the KeyFit infant car seat, showcased here in the sophisticated Encore colorway. Unlike the larger, permanent, rotating options we looked at earlier, the KeyFit is a traditional, dedicated, rear-facing infant carrier. This means it is purposely engineered for maximum mobility from day one, giving you the classic, ultra-convenient travel system setup that so many new families rely on during those hectic first months.
The biggest selling point of the KeyFit is that it is widely considered the absolute easiest infant car seat to install on the market. It features a clever, spring-loaded leveling foot paired seamlessly with two built-in bubble level indicators. This completely eliminates the usual guesswork, ensuring you always achieve the perfect, safest base angle on your vehicle's seat. To tighten it down securely, Chicco utilizes their innovative Super Cinch force-multiplying latch tightener, allowing you to achieve a rock-solid, wiggle-free installation with minimal physical effort using either a standard seatbelt or the premium latch system connectors. Safety and everyday travel convenience are perfectly integrated in this sleek polyester, plastic, and metal design. The main carrier shell is fully lined with high-quality EPS energy-absorbing foam, which provides top-tier impact protection by managing crash forces beautifully.
Next on our list is the Britax Galaxy 360 Convertible Car Seat, showcased in the timeless neutral pebble colorway. This seat is an absolute game-changer for parents who want elite, heavy-duty safety engineering without completely sacrificing their entire back seat. Built with a robust combination of high-strength steel, specialized plastics, and premium polyester fabrics, this model perfectly balances a highly sophisticated modern aesthetic with top-tier rugged durability. It is an investment that truly transforms the chaotic daily routine of buckling your little one into a seamless, peaceful process. The standout feature of the Galaxy 360 is its effortless one-handed swivel mechanism. Utilizing a Britax-exclusive swivel-smooth steel ring built with an innovative wheels-on-steel design, the seat rotates a full 360 degrees with a smooth, gliding feel. This completely takes the strain off your back during loading and unloading. Even better, it offers fantastic longevity as a two-in-one system. It begins as an extended rear-facing seat, accommodating infants and toddlers from 5 up to 50 pounds, allowing you to follow expert safety advice by keeping your child rear-facing longer. Once they are ready, it easily transitions into a forward-facing harness for kids from 26.5 to 65 pounds, and finally transforms into a high back booster, accommodating older children from 40 up to 100 pounds. On top of its incredible growth range, making daily adjustments is completely fuss-free. It features the Simply Safe Adjust harness system, which allows you to change the height of the headrest and the harness simultaneously in one quick motion without any tedious rethreading. For maximum peace of mind, the Extend to Fit is Graco Protect Plus engineered, meaning it has passed some of the most rigorous crash tests in the industry to protect against frontal, side, rear, and rollover impacts. Combined with an easy latch installation system, it is an incredibly reliable and budget-friendly choice that will truly last your family a decade. Rounding out our list is a legendary favorite among safety-conscious parents, the Graco Extend to Fit Convertible Car Seat, featured here in the versatile Cullen color palette. While this product doesn't feature the 360-degree rotating base seen on some other models, it completely dominates when it comes to longevity, value, and accommodating growth spurts. Instead of a standard 2-in-1 model, Graco has engineered a true 3-in-1 system that safely takes your child all the way from their very first ride home from the hospital right up until they are ready to use the vehicle's standard seatbelt alone. It is the ultimate one-and-done investment for your back seat. The undisputed headline feature of this polyester seat is the Extend to Fit adjustable extension panel. This innovative design pulls out to provide up to 5 additional inches of legroom for your growing child. Leg discomfort is one of the primary reasons parents flip their toddlers forward too early, but this extension panel allows children to ride safely and comfortably in the rear-facing position for much longer. In fact, this seat supports an impressive rear-facing weight limit of up to 50 pounds. Once your child is ready to face forward, the seat effortlessly converts into a forward-facing harness for kids from 26.5 to 65 pounds, and finally transforms into a high back booster, accommodating older children from 40 up to 100 pounds. On top of its incredible growth range, making daily adjustments is completely fuss-free. It features the Simply Safe Adjust harness system, which allows you to change the height of the headrest and the harness simultaneously in one quick motion without any tedious rethreading. For maximum peace of mind, the Extend to Fit is Graco Protect Plus engineered, meaning it has passed some of the most rigorous crash tests in the industry to protect against frontal, side, rear, and rollover impacts. Combined with an easy latch installation system,
system, it is an incredibly reliable and budget-friendly choice that will truly last your family a decade.